we've brought you plenty of stories about amazing apps that can help you get fit, improve your general knowledge, and even teach you sign language. Now, for International Literacy Day that we recently celebrated, there's a campaign to get learners reading with the help of another groundbreaking app.
Mixit, the social networking platform available to 5 million monthly users, is using its power of Mixit reach to launch a new and improved app that is specifically aimed at providing stories and literacy tips into the hands of SA caregivers and their children.
51% of the homes in South Africa basically do not have access to leisure books. But what is interesting, though, is the fact that the majority of South Africans have cell phones. So we therefore realize that there is an opportunity here if we are to access the adults who are very much key in terms of role modeling the correct way of engaging with young people in terms of literacy.
Brainchild of the NaliBali Reading for Enjoyment campaign, the NaliBali app invites parents and guardians to sign up together with their children to receive a story or motivational tip in a language of their choice.
The campaign is driven by PRIESA, which is the project of the study of alternative education in South Africa. And PRIESA basically did a research, and since 1992 they've been doing this research in terms of the importance of multilingualism. And basically, part of their research, they discovered that young people who are told stories in their home languages, especially at home, especially in the early stages of their lives, those young people have a better chances of succeeding in terms of literacy and even academically as well. They therefore gave birth to the NaliBali campaign in 2012, yes.
The benefit to using Mixit is that it works across about 8,000 different mobile devices. So you can access Mixit whether you're on a feature phone like this one or whether you're on a smartphone like this one. It also includes tablets. And over the years, Mixit has remained very data light because it compresses data, so it's affordable enough to use every day.
Using push technology, parents with the app on their phones can be reminded or prompted to engage in a story or a story activity with their kids. Another great feature, users get to earn points and rewards for completing stories, submitting reviews, and answering monthly polls. This is to ensure and to encourage regular use with the content.
So we know that language and literacy skills are best developed around the engagement and discussion that happens when parents and children share stories together. But unfortunately on digital, that engagement doesn't always happen. Parents don't always include their children. So what we've done to mitigate that is we encourage the parents to sign up with their children, and then we reward them for regular app use. So every time they submit a review, or when they complete a quiz, or when they finish a story with their child, they're awarded a point.
There are many stories available in the story library with anytime access. Audio stories are an option for kids who want to go through the app by themselves, as well as fun literacy quizzes and the opportunity to share reviews in a virtual reading club section. There's enough to keep you educated and entertained.
We've had a good response since our launch on World Literacy Day on the 8th of September. I think in terms of numbers, we've kind of doubled in terms of the people who are now using our app. If I'm not mistaken, we were on 60,000 at the beginning before the 8th, and I think we have now moved to 120,000 subscribers. We would like to, in the future, would like to have a rhyme library within the app. Also, just to improve in terms of some of the resources that they could be able to access within the app, so we can make the app to be more robust and more in terms of information, sort of like putting it in the same level as our website.
Putting the key to education straight into the hands of those who need it, the NaliBali Literacy app is just one more innovative and cost-efficient contribution to the development of reading culture in SA. We give it an A+.